All right, welcome to Hiking with Hollywood here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Now, as you might think, there's probably not a whole lot of hiking trails in a beach area in Mexico, and you are actually right. Right now we're on the famous Fifth Avenue here in Playa, and as you can see, it's pretty touristy. But, as I always say, there's always somewhere to hike. So let's look and see what we can find on all trails. Let's go. So as you can see, looks like we've got one place to hike, and that is heading out to the beach. So no need for trekking poles today. We're just gonna go out and enjoy our 6.5 mile stroll and see how it goes. Here's the start of the trail, so to speak. Obviously a pretty crowded beach here. I'm going to be walking all the way through all these people. It's a Sunday, so it's obviously very busy. And we got a bunch of cars that cut across, and anyway, it's going to be a fun hike.
En cambio de decir, él me encanta, yo lo quiero, pues dímelo a mí, que no hago daño. Baby, cuando te vi, con tu falda, no exagero, me quería morir. Yo sé que estoy loco por ti.
Que te invito a mi papaya. De ahí nos vamos por el mundo todo falla. Estamos locos en Nueva York, bailando cuecas y pijú en el Eatery. Y no me importa lo que dicen los que hate on me. Lo que importa, bebé, que sea mi Genesis.
Decided to take a little bit of a break. I just saw a dude wearing a thong bikini at the beach. So I've got to let that process a minute. I mean, I'm open to all lifestyles and however you want to live your life. I'm totally cool with it. I just don't know if I'm ready to see dudes wearing thong bikinis on the beach. All right, so this hiking in Playa del Carmen. As you can see, we didn't have a whole lot of options. We did find one good place that we could do a hike slash walk. Had to do some obstacles. Got to go walk through some areas where the surf is going all the way up to buildings and stuff to do the whole thing. But it was cool and obviously an incredible view. Guys, if you really like hiking stuff, I got a lot of great hiking and backpacking stuff I'm about to be doing here pretty soon. I'm about to be going to Patagonia here in a couple of weeks. I'll be doing the O-Trek in Torres del Paine. It's one of the most famous treks in the world, and it's supposed to be the crown jewel of Patagonia, so I'm really excited about going to do that. Of course, I'll be filming when I go to do that trek and how I got down there and all that stuff. But guys, if you like hiking and backpacking content and you enjoy Hollywood here, please give the channel a subscribe. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to give it a thumbs up, if you get any questions about Playa del Carmen in general, want some places to maybe check out while you're here, just leave me a comment below. As always, hiking with Hollywood, there's always somewhere to hike.